wasn't the episode I had planned next for this car. As you can see, I've got my towing eye on the front of the car. As you see from my Instagram, I went for an MOT, took it down, and I got it down there, sounded alright. He got it onto the ramp, ready for the MOT, and the engine died. So what we think has happened is I, off camera, actually had an oil light, and it was the oil pressure sensor. So I replaced that, and the oil light continued. I have been talking to 2 mechanics and the guy that sold me the engine, and they said just take the switch out, drive it down there, and we'll get an MOT on it and we'll sort it out from there. So I did that, and it cut out, overspinning, like sort of. I'll put a clip in now of what we're getting with the car, but yeah, this is basically the worst case scenario. Luckily, the guy that sold me the engine said take it out, everything, put it on a pallet, send it back up to me and I'll sort it out. Just gotta pay the shipping fees, which is what I'm gonna be doing. As I said, this wasn't the episode I was planning. I was planning on getting the MOT repair video out, whatever we needed to get this thing sorted, ready for some modifications, ready for the track later this year. But like I said, it's not great news, but we're gonna have to crack on with it, because I haven't come all this way just to give up, scrap the car, whatever anyone else would suggest doing. I'm here to build a track car, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So without any further ado, I'm going to chuck you on a time lapse for the rest of this episode, and hopefully we'll have this engine out and on a pallet within the next couple of days, and we can carry on with the build. Right, so there we are, guys. I've actually managed to smash it out over the last 2 days. I had work 6 till 12 in the morning, and then I have a little delivery job in the night, so we smashed it out. I'm proud of myself for doing it in just a weekend, so we can get this thing moving as quickly as possible. It's on the pallet now, and hopefully we'll only have about a 2 to 3 week gap for the new engine to come in, and we'll see what was actually wrong with it. But please, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Comment anything that you want to say to me, or any comments you have, please go down below. I think you've already seen the BMW video. I've announced that's out, that's live. So hope you enjoy that as well, because I'm going to get head in with that, and I'm going to bring you another project as well, just so we can keep things spicy on the channel, keep things moving forward, guys. That's what we need to keep doing, moving forward. Don't dwell on things like this, because they'll get sorted. It's just a bit of time, bit of money, and a good attitude, and we'll get through it, innit? But hope you've all enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Peace.